Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the H9 Max smartwatch. To begin, power on your device by pressing and holding the side button for about 3 seconds until the screen illuminates. Next, download the companion application on your smartphone and follow the on-screen prompts to pair your watch. Once connected, you can navigate the intuitive interface by simply swiping in 4 directions: left, right, up, and down, to access various functions and settings. The H9 Max is a powerful health companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate, providing data accurate to within 2 beats per minute, helping you stay informed about your cardiovascular health. Beyond that, it diligently tracks your daily steps, distance covered, and calories burned, giving you a comprehensive overview of your activity levels. Furthermore, it analyzes your sleep patterns, offering insights to help you achieve better rest and recovery each night. Stay connected effortlessly with your H9 Max. You will receive real-time notifications for incoming calls, text messages, and alerts from your favorite social media applications directly on your wrist. Personalize your device by choosing from dozens of unique watch faces to match your mood or outfit. You can also conveniently control your music playback, skipping tracks, or adjusting volume, all without needing to touch your phone. Unlock even more potential with advanced features. Use the remote camera control to capture perfect group photos or selfies from a distance of up to 10 meters. To maximize your battery life, which can last up to 7 days on a single charge, adjust screen brightness and manage notification settings. Remember to regularly clean your H9 Max with a soft, dry cloth to ensure optimal performance and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.